So hey guys, today I got myself a set of RXZ 5-speed front fork tubes. So my plan is to use this and use the inner tubes from the RXZ and make a set and then fix that on the bike. So let's see how it goes. So let me fix this on a vise and start working on it. So I have actually two options: remove it from the front and then take the tubes out by opening the rear, or the second option is first I remove this side. So let me try the second option. For that I need some Allen keys. It's actually really simple to open the fork. So what I'm going to do is I have a Allen key. Using that I'll open the fork and drain the oil. So off camera I have taken out the inner tubes. They look okay. So now we're going to install it. As you can see, everything else is in here. The springs, piston, etc, etc. So I'll start the installation. Okay. When you're installing an oil seal, make sure the writing, the part where you see writing should come up, or the side where the springs are should go down. So again, this should come up, this should go down. For this we need some grease. As you guys can see, the oil seal is seated well. We'll put a lock on top which will sit in this groove. So yeah, that is one oil seal installed. So this is how a boxer dreams. This is the second time the bike has fallen and broken the camber. So with the original RXZ front end, there is a good thing and a bad thing. The good thing is it looks awesome. Everything is connected. Now I'm going to connect the speedometer so we can also read the speed at which it is going. But then the bad thing is you cannot fix the gladiator thing into it, caliper, and you need an original RXZ caliper. That's a shame, because if you can see, there is almost a millimeter thickness more on this. So